Inside Dubai's mind-blowing real estate market. Is it too good to be true? One of the wealthiest of the 7 emirates that make up the United Arab Emirates, which was established in 1971. After gaining independence from Great Britain, is Dubai, the city and capital of the Emirate of Dubai. The name Dubai is a subject of various hypotheses. One believes related to the daba, a species of locust that inhabits the region, while another believes it alludes to a market that once stood close to the city. Dubai is frequently recognized as the Middle East's top entrepot, and in recent years has been likened to Singapore and Hong Kong. Skyscrapers, ports, and beaches are all present in the city of Dubai, where huge commerce coexists with sun-seeking holiday makers. It has a significant expatriate population. The environment is generally tolerant. Given the impression of being in the Middle East, religion does not have a significant role in the city life. The majority of religion in Dubai is Islam. However, there are also churches and Hindu temples. Administrative effectiveness and openness to commerce have spurred amazing growth in Dubai, a city with a low crime rate. However, there's still a culture of covert corruption, and criticism of Dubai's autocratic leadership is not accepted. Small lengths of sandy beaches may be found in Dubai's western region, which has benefited the city's tourism sector. Because there aren't any natural offshore islands, Dubai's rulers encourage developers to build enormous man-made islands off the city's coast in order to expand the city's meager seafronts. The most well-known of these, is shaped like a palm tree, is Palm Jumeirah. Others include the World Islands, a collection of tiny islands that, when seen from above, are positioned to resemble the map of the world. Activities intended to draw foreign investment have risen in the 21st century. There are a number of free zones, like Jebel Ali, that has been created to let foreign businesses operate from Dubai without the need for a local partner. They've achieved amazing success, with largest housing more than 6,400 businesses, many of which are from Europe or the U.S. The city started promoting itself as a high-end tourism destination in the 1990s, investing a sizable portion of its GDP in lavish resorts and attractions. When Dubai started permitting foreign investors to buy 99-year leases on buildings in 1998, the real estate market was able to take off. The UAE Constitution specifically designates the 2006 Open Dubai International Financial Center as a separate legal jurisdiction with its own commercial and civil framework based on English common law. International financial institutions looking to have a foothold in the Middle East will benefit from this agreement. These businesses can cross the time zones between the major financial centers in Europe and East Asia by taking one of Dubai's physical location. In the wake of the global credit crisis in 2009, the real estate and financial sectors collapsed. Dubai was able to escape defaulting on its debt thanks to the Abu Dhabi loan of $10 billion. The real estate market quickly bounced back. Both local residents who are purchasing their first homes and international investors from all over the world will find plenty of alluring prospects in the Dubai real estate market. There are all different kinds of neighborhoods and communities, from upscale locations like Dabu Al Farjan to the best luxury homes in Dubai that are close to famous landmarks like the Burj Khalifa. Numerous investors and home buyers were convinced of the strength of the Dubai real estate market by its recent expansion despite the global slump. The amenities and infrastructure that Dubai provides to businesses and entrepreneurs throughout the world are just one of the factors that are majorly propelling the real estate market there. Dubai offers the best business services in the entire world. It provides a foundation for forward-thinking business people and entrepreneurs to flourish and prosper in support of UAE government rules and quickly grow their companies. Currently, foreign property purchasers have increased by 67% in Dubai, the ideal investment location. The number of investors trying to purchase a home in this emirate has significantly increased. Apartments and villas are both in demand because they each have unique advantages. While some buyers are drawn to luxury real estate, others are interested in the potential revenue from renting out units in coastal locations. In its 9th annual research, Daily predicts changes in the hospitality, residential, office, retail, and industrial and logistics sectors in 2023, while analyzing Dubai's real estate market's performance in 2022. Key conclusions. Post-pandemic rebound of the real estate market in Dubai was driven by pent-up demand from tourists and increasing spending by locals. Consumers are still worried about inflation, which is predicted to have an effect on their attitudes and contribute to price and rent rises for 2023. When compared to the same period in 2021, Dubai's occupancy averaged 72% at the end of 2022, and the average ADR during this time grew by 22% annually to AED 674. This is more than most domestic and international markets. Between Q3 2021 and Q3 2022, the average sales price for a residential property in Dubai grew by around 10%. Over the same period, average rents also rose by about 21%. Office rentals have returned to their pre-pandemic levels with a 12% increase over the same period in 2022. Consumer spending growth propelled the resurgence of the retail industry in both traditional mall and online formats. According to the Economist Intelligence Unit, the overall volume of retail sales in the UAE is predicted to expand by roughly 4.2% in 2022, with sales expected to rise by an average of 3.9% from 23 to 26. As long as logistics business demand is strong, freight flows on the airports reached 21 levels by 3% and 5% at Dubai International Airport and Dubai World Center. Respectively, average warehouse rentals have been recovering. Exchange rate stability. The impact of a steady exchange rate in the Dubai real estate market is not widely known. Long-term market expansion is supported by stable exchange rates. The UAE dirham, which is divisible into 100 fils, is the currency used in the United Arab Emirates. The dirham is one of the world's most stable currencies, is correlated to the value of the US dollar. For more than 20 years, the value of the UAE dirham in relation to the dollar has remained steady. Future potential for growth. The market for real estate in Dubai is expected to grow by 46% in 23, continuing its upward trend. Realistic AI data analysis estimates that in 23, the cost of real estate in the city would increase by 29%. According to the data, the overall trend for the Dubai real estate market in the upcoming year is upwards, with prices predicted to increase by a minimum of 10 to 15%, in some places by as much as 46%. Purchasing off-plan homes over time. Off-plan real estate in Dubai is typically more affordable because it has not yet been finished. They can therefore present fantastic prospects for both buyers and investors. The Dubai government has put in place advantageous policies that allow buyers to profit from investing in off-plan buildings. Low rate of crime. Due to their financial stability, Dubai residents are less prone to commit crimes. The city as a whole has a very low crime rate, making it fully safe for both visitors and locals. Property purchases facilitated by cryptocurrency. Dubai accepts cryptocurrency as payment in line with its goal of becoming the global capital of cryptocurrency. As long as all legal conditions are completed, transactions performed using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be accepted in the Dubai real estate market. In Dubai and the UAE, Bitcoin Swiss is now the most popular crypto brokerage, making it a popular option for investors wishing to buy real estate in the nation. This makes it possible for investors to purchase villas, townhouses, apartments, and commercial properties in Dubai using Bitcoin, guaranteeing a safe, effective, and rapid transaction procedure. No tax. Investors should be aware that Dubai does not tax real estate because it receives enough revenue from trade and oil. Instead, it levies a monthly housing fee and a 4% transfer fee to make money from real estate deals. Renter demand for housing. The average dwelling rent increased by 27.3% the year leading up to November 22, according to a most recent data from CBRE in 22. Particularly, the average rent for apartments has climbed by 27.6%. The average rent for villas has increased by 25.4%. Wonderful weather. Dubai's pleasant climate can be viewed as a contributing factor for investment because it provides a relaxing environment for both living and conducting business. Numerous industries, including tourism, hospitality, and real estate, benefit from the year-round sunny and mild climate. The city is a desirable destination for both tourists and locals due to its favorable weather for outdoor activities and events. Suitable market regulation. The Middle East and North Africa's region's real estate markets have been ranked, with Dubai being the most transparent. There are now no signs of a market decrease, and it's performing well. To improve market transparency, the government is putting new policies and regulations into place. This has expanded the opportunities for individuals looking to invest in Dubai's booming real estate industry. Economy. Due to the economic stability and ongoing expansion, investors favor Dubai. Its economy is one of the most diversified and draws a lot of international investment each year. It's not surprising Dubai just surpassed all other cities on luring projects for foreign direct investment. Greater than New York, Hong Kong, and London rental yields. Dubai offers outstanding returns on real estate investment, with an average return of roughly 7.5% and a gross rental yield of between 6 and 10%. In addition, Dubai property prices are competitive with those in other significant international cities. Best location for real estate. Dubai's strategic location at the intersection of Asia, Europe, and Africa make it a prime hub for global trade and business. Due to Dubai's growth as a commercial and tourist destination, there's a higher demand for real estate. Luxurious way of life. Rich people and wealthy families are attracted to Dubai by its reputation for sumptuous living and first-rate amenities, including high-end shopping, fine eating, and world-class entertainment. Increased population. According to figures from the Dubai Center for Statistics, 6.2 million people are anticipated to live in Dubai by 2040. More real estate developments are anticipated to be launched as a result of the anticipated population growth in Dubai by 2040, which will offer investors a promising return on their investment.